Hey, it's Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. I want to give you an update on everything that I've been working on. Of course, have attended Andy O'Dade's speaker training. That was the first event I was at. It was very exciting. I learned about speaking on stage and how to do it. And I'm actually going to a second event here, the Ultimate Speaker Competition, which is in Orlando, July 30th and 31st. If you're living in the area or you're going to be around the area and want to attend, I actually have some comp tickets. So comment below, send me a message, let me know. If you want to attend the event, I think they still have some standard tickets that you can get if you want to compete or learn how to speak on stage. So when you're doing that, you can actually go to the Ultimate Speaker Competition below, or just let me know. I can get you on a Zoom call or some type of call with the Christoff Weinman. He's the guy in charge there. Want to let you know about a couple other things that are pretty important that I'm working on. My new book, which is How to Sell Real Estate, that should be out fall 2021. And I'm also going to be starting real estate coaching because so many people in the real estate industry have asked how I went from starting new and having no business and being with a company at the time, Keller Williams in our area, they were brand new also. So they had no name recognition and being the top agent in my office. So all that training and information is going to be in my new book. And I'll have coaching programs and packages to go along with that. I will also be offering special deals. Those special deals include 1 of 10 tickets to Turning Point seminar with Marshall Silver. Marshall Silver is a world-famous hypnotist, and he's known as the Millionaire Maker because he helps people transform their lives and their business. These are $2,000 tickets, and I'm giving 10 of them away for free. So subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know what your questions are, or if you need any help. If you want a special offer on my book, I will be having that too for subscribers and friends. So you'll want to stay tuned. This is Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. Smash a like button, subscribe, comment. And if you're interested in attending the Ultimate Speaker Competition to learn how inspirers, entrepreneurs, and experts speak, or if you want to learn how to speak on stage, comment below. Let me know. I'll get you connected. Have a great day.